Okay, so your left low beam HID bulb is out. This video will show you how I changed it.
Okay, the first step is to find yourself a nice tree. We're gonna have to take off the wheel and the fender liner, half the fender liner.
Okay, this is an important step in the process. Basically, what I did was I disconnected the negative terminal on the car's battery so that I wouldn't have to worry about getting a shock, right? Because the system is capable up to 25,000 volts, which is, doing my math in my head, over 2,000 9-volt batteries, right? That's a lot. And the bulb type is a D1S.
Nice clean axis. Now we're gonna reach in there. Basically, you just have to, I think, push this down to unlock it. All right, you see that little dimple? You want to make sure that makes it right in the hole.
That's it, and then pretty much you just put it back together, and then double check your work. If everything is okay, the error code will go away.